Hello, my name is Mauro Costa Mattioli. I am a professor in the Department of Neuroscience at Baylor College of Medicine, and now a principal investigator at Altos Labs in the Bay Area. 2 years have passed since the COVID-19 pandemic was declared, a pandemic that was plagued by suffering, loneliness, social isolation. And thanks to science, we are turning the corner on the pandemic. And as a result, we are getting together at FENS in Paris, where we will see each other, we will hug again, we will laugh, and we will exchange ideas, and more importantly, we will promote science. So I would like to invite you to come on July the 10th, 8:30 in the morning. I know it's a bit early, to come to my keynote lecture, where I will be describing my serendipitous paths of discovery. More specifically, I will be telling you how specific pathways that regulate homeostasis and resilience are crucial for complex behaviors. Donc, venez nous rejoindre à Paris, à FENS, en juillet. Bye!